Hey gorgeous, how are you? All right, Jocelyn McClellan here, and I am going to just do my makeup today, and I'm gonna start with my eyes, and then you can see a little bit of something what I do. So if you are not familiar with the makeup that I wear, my very, very favorite makeup of all time is Mascara Beauty. Now, it's not because that I'm an artist with the company. I'm an independent artist with them, and I have been for 3.5 years. And the whole reason behind why is for the fact alone that everything is in a compact. It's a cream, so it's not absorbing into my skin. It's acting as a second skin where other makeups can't. So I absolutely, with all my heart, love this stuff so much. We're gonna get started. The very first thing is, see how my face is foundation free? I'm actually facing a window right now. And if you ever need to get color matched, you're gonna go to my website. There's even an example there. You're gonna face a window and you're going to take a picture. And that picture needs to be smudge, like clean off your lens, tap your face so that you're not blown out, so it's not like glowing in some areas. And then you're just gonna send it over to me through my website. Then from there, when you order, you will get just loose, let me show you right here. You will get loose product like this, and you're going to take off the lid and you're gonna pop it into your compact. And then when one runs out, you're only replacing what runs out. You're not having to replace tons of stuff. And you don't have one of those palettes where there's like everything out, but the ones you don't like, you get to use whatever you want and put into your compact with whatever you want. But I will mark on your face to tell you what, where to use what with your foundation. So I'm gonna hurry and do my eyes real quick. I always like to do eyes first, and then I like to do face. And the reason why is I can be fast, I can be messy, and I can get my, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes when I do eyes first and the rest of my face isn't done, sometimes I'm like, I can't tell if I like that or not. And so it does get a little hard. So what I'll do is I'll do my eyes, and then if I ever have to touch it up, I will. Usually I don't. I usually just have to touch up this where it goes down a little lower than what I want it to go down at. So I use Stay Golden first, and I got that out my whole entire lid up onto my brow bone. And then this color is called Gilded, and it's like a warm, let's see what color. It's like a mauve, but with some shimmer. But the shimmer isn't a kind of shimmer that you're gonna be like, whoa, she's wearing shimmer. It's just a really, really good color, but it is in the shimmer section on the website. So here is those two. And again, like I'll just go and clean that up in a little bit. Then I'm gonna finish off in the corner by pressing in just this solid darker color. And this color is called Coal. And this is a look that I seriously do a lot. I'll either do this with Lullaby instead of Gilded, but these colors work together really, really well. So I'm just fusing that out so it's not so hard right there. But I will normally just wear it like this, and this will be the colors that I wear. But I wanna do something a little bit more fun on the inside today. So I'm gonna take the color called Peppa. It's the color of like Peppa the Pig. Have you seen that cartoon? Peppa the Pig? It's Peppa, and I'm just gonna pop it on my lower lid right in here to soften out all those colors like so. If you really wanted to do one that was fun, you could take the color called Tawanda, and Tawanda is gonna add a little bit of a shimmer. I might as well show you. Let's see, where is she? Okay, here's Tawanda. So this is what it looks like now, and then you're gonna add it to it, and it's gonna turn it like this pinkish, but sometimes when it hits it, it's like a yellow. It's kind of cool. It's not, but it depending on what color you mix it with, it like changes, but it's pretty much just adding that little pop of pink there. Let me see. Oh yeah, it went pink. And then I can see the cast of yellow with it, but it went pink. Okay, so I'm just going to just finish off that Coal. that darker color, coal, on the outer edge. And then I'm going to make sure, since I did Tawanda just on the lower lid, I'm gonna make sure I'm content with it's all blended in together. So I'm just taking what's ever left on my brush and fusing it with the Tawanda. Okay, so there we go for that. Easy, easy, easy. And then I will take a different brush. So this one was the eyeshadow everything brush. Mascara brushes are incredible. Then this is the multitasker brush. It's wooden, yours wouldn't be wooden. And I'm just gonna finish off the outer eye with the kohl. And then you go in the hood. I have lash extensions, so I don't have to go in there anymore, but you go in the hood and just clean, like fill it so that your eyelashes look thicker. So this is a way to not have to use a ton of liner, especially the older we get, the more that helps us. It just finishes that eye. It makes it look bigger. It makes it look finished. You don't have to do eyeliner across the whole entire eye if you don't, but getting in, I call it getting in the jungle. And getting in the jungle is like how you make your lashes look fuller, how you finish your eye off without having a thick liner, because the older we get, thick liner just does not work. If you saw my past pictures that I done on Instagram, you'd be like, okay, I see what she's saying. I see what she's saying. So I just finished this inside off. And then again, if I didn't have these extensions, I would hold my hand about here, not above and not for the water line. I'd hold it about right like so, and I'd go in through the lashes. Like literally your lashes are gonna move because you're going through into the lash line to thicken things up, okay? All right, so I'm gonna adjust my lash extensions. I get lash extensions in the summertime because we're always on the lake, and it just makes my life so much easier. It's just faster, and I need fast for summertime, 100%. Okay, that is now done, so I'm gonna move on to my face, and I wanna show you a different way than I normally apply my face. So what I do when I normally apply is I start with bronzer and contour, and then I move into everywhere else. But I'm kind of gonna do a paint by numbers thing right now for you, to show you that there's more ways that you can do this. That's what's so cool about this makeup, is there's definitely more things than you can do. So what color is that? I need to see what colors I have here. Hold tight. Okay, so I have the colors Candlelit and Amber, and I'm gonna take them, and you can use your brush or you can use your finger however you want. You see people use both. I kind of just want to use my brush because I don't like the finger being on my hand. So I'm going paint by numbers. So this is my main foundation color. So this is like 1. I recommend though, you guys, doing contour first. It's amazing what you can take care of when you contour first. And the other thing is, I normally don't just let the makeup sit on my face like this because I like to see how well the contour is taking care of what I need it to take care of before. So my very first, if I were to give you from experience of what I have learned I like better, I would do your first paint by number, your contour. And honestly, if I'm being real, I would blend it out before moving on to your paint by number, because then you can see how concealed your redness is or anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put my contour all over. In this video though, I'm not going to blend out the contour first because that's not what I'm doing. But because I just want to show you this method. You all know that I'm all for experimenting, and I like you to experiment. So try this method out and let me know what you think, and let me know if you like it or if you want to do a different method. Okay, so we have our contour and we have our main foundation, okay? And then I'm going to go in with my blush. Let me clean that off. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use my finger for it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my blush. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my candlelit to brighten under my eyes. So I'm gonna put candlelit in the inner corners. I'm gonna put candlelit down my nose. Okay, I'm gonna put candlelit on my chin and right under my nose here. So I have on all the colors. I don't have an excess amount on because I don't wanna have to use a beauty blender. So less is more, and then when you go in and you find if you need a little bit more, you totally can. All right, I'll make sure I have everything where I want it. I'm gonna put amber under my eyes here, just a little bit more to conceal those darker colors. And I'm gonna put amber right here, okay? And then you go in and blend. So you can choose a bigger brush. This is the blush and bronzer brush, or you can choose this brush. This is the Best Blend Forever brush. This one is gonna give you a lighter application. This one will give you a medium application, okay? So then I come in here and I blend. I might have to get into the inner corner with my Best Blend Forever brush. Okay, so I'm just stippling. I'll sweep across the forehead and I'll sweep up into the hairline. Okay, and again, I don't have on a ton, so that didn't take very much time. When you see people do this and they have to blend a ton, it's because they put a ton of makeup on them. So remember that as far as blending goes, if you want it to be quicker, don't apply so much. If you want it to be easier, don't apply so much. If you feel like you need to add a little bit more after, then do so. But it makes your life so much easier. Okay, so I'm almost blended there. I'm gonna go down my nose. And one thing that I do wanna do is I wanna contour my nose a little bit. So I went in a little too much there. Okay. All right, now I'm going to blend, right end. And I'm going to blend this out. Along the jawline, I can sweep. Along the jawline, I sweep, and then I pull down here, that contour. I'm gonna blend in this corner with that candlelit, like so. And then I'm done with that. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush, I'm gonna squish it because I only have these two brushes right here next to me. And I'm gonna line with my contour down here and line with my contour there. And you wanna know something? I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush, the one that I do for shadows. I'm gonna take this brown color called Bird, and I'm gonna pop Bird on the top corners. So I get that heart shaped lip. Look at that, just like so. It is an eyeshadow that I just put on my lips. Crazy, right? And I'm gonna blend this out. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Nude. And I'm gonna take that Ruby. Ruby's what I put on my cheeks too. I'm gonna put Ruby on top. And then I'm gonna take the lip conditioner and put it over that. This is not an all day wear lip, but it does a good job and I like it. And now my makeup is done. So that took 7 minutes to do my face, and then it took 4 minutes to do my eyes, if I remember right. I'm going off of memory here. And I'm done. So that is your foundation. Mascara is so stinking easy. And if you want to see other ways that I apply the makeup, I have so many tutorials on YouTube, on Facebook, either way, but this is just another way that I know that some people do it. They'll go and just put it in spots in the areas that they want. So paint by numbers. Number 1, I did my main foundation. Number 2, I did my contour. Number 3, I did where I would brighten. Number 4, I did my blush. and that's it. And oh, if I wanted to add illuminator, which I love illuminator, that would be one that you do after you've already blended everything out. An illuminator is just, see how I have that shine now? I love it. If you feel that you're someone that you need to add powders, feel free to add powders. If you feel that you're someone that needs to add the setting spray before you apply, then do that too. I love adding a setting spray for a primer instead of a primer before. I feel like it just does such a great job. All right, if you need anything, feel free to reach out. If you want to get color matched, fitmissionmakeup.com to get color matched. Find the form there on my homepage and fill it out. The more info you can give me, the better. And if you've gotten color matched in the past and you feel that your makeup is off at all, submit a new color match. Make sure you're facing that window. And if you will, tell me the colors that you're currently using so I know how I can best guide you. You can even send me a picture of you in your makeup, but make sure you send a barefaced one too. Have a great day. You are the best. Don't forget to smile and know how grateful we are for you and how grateful we have to be for everything around us. Take care. We'll see you. Bye.